Hi everyone, we meet again, and I'm very sorry for not, updating my videos very often. I'm busy right now, and yeah, I have a midterm exam right now, so, but my package of New East Face first single album finally arrived, so I just have to make a video of it. So let's just see what's inside here, and by the way, don't mind the bed cover because I honestly never bought my bed cover. It's my mom, so yeah. I don't know why it came really late. News is from Playlist, and Playlist is the home of After School, so I just support the Playlist artists because yeah, specifically I love After School, and so yeah, I support my dongsangs. I'm a proud young, so yeah. Oh my god. Tear the bubble wrap is a hard work, and now the plastic is a hard work to do as well. There's a photo card as well. So I'm pretty sure you have seen it already, or maybe you already got it. So yeah, here's the front, here's the spine. Playlist, here is the first single face. Minhyun, Ren, JR, Baekho, and Aaron. One. Here's the back. The tracklist, new established style tempo is like an intro song. Face the title track and I'm sorry. This is a CD. Shocking pink. There it is. I can feel there's a photocard. Yeah. I don't know who is it though. So let's just cover it. I think I know. I got Minhyun. Yeah, I got Minhyun. So yeah, I get the face from or the visual from this group, and I got Minhyun. I like the photocard, but I think it's really thin. It's not that thick. So yeah, I got Minhyun. Play this audition. So just say it fast because I'm sure you already seen it already. Here's JR, Ren. Cool. Minhyun. Aaron Minhyun. Aaron. Shot. Lyrics. I like the song. Like the title track, and I'm sorry. Even the intro song is really damn good. So, as I said before, I'm a proud young. Nonsense really do well. Aaron, he reminds me of Go of M Black. Well, sometimes though. Different guy with a sharp charm. Okay. Top shot. It's like special things to increase. There's a compass. There you go. Inhyun. And now let's see the poster. So it's basically the same as the cover. New East first single face. Hyun brain job big rain. You said such a face. I'm sorry. Please. What is it? Yeah, whatever. Oh yeah, here's the poster. So yeah, that's pretty much all. New East, the first single album, Face. Get the album, you get the poster, and you get the photo card. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye. 누가 뭐라건 so what 이게 너와 나의 차이라